Now for this next piece, this you can do in so many different ways. Okay, so we have these love signs again from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna paint two red and two white, just using, regular paint. And you want to get into all of the cracks. You don't, and you want to do the back too. So you want to let it dry. You want to do both sides because you'll be able to see them. You can cover the back up and then you won't be able to see it. There's so many different ways you can do this, but I did it this way because it's, easy and simple. But I'm just getting in all of the little cracks, like I said, and then you can glue this together. You can make a basket. Like I said, you can do this so many different ways. I might go back and do another DIY with these, but for now we're doing like a vase. So you're going to glue those together. You can use a heavy glue. The hot glue, comes instantly, but you do need to let it dry for a little bit to make sure it is nice and secure because they are heavy pieces. So you don't want to move it around while it is drying. And you want to face the good side out, the love side out. You can put something on the bottom of this. You can fill this with a Dollar Tree vase. You can do so many different things with this, but this is such a cute Valentine piece.